Welcome to Atlas. On this tutorial I want to cover the statement homepage. So a statement in accounting is when you have one or more invoices that have been created to a customer and one or more of those have not been paid in full. And what a statement will do is a statement will group those together, and it will allow you to create a sum total of that to send to the client. So from your system assets, if you go to your statement homepage, once you're on your homepage, you'll see a list of all of the statements that have been created within the last 30 days. So I actually have one in here that I had created beforehand to Bank of America, and when I go to the printable on this statement, you'll see that it has my customer information here. It also has the corporation information. In other words, this is your company information, statement date, the date range, the amount, and your terms. And then below, it's going to show the different invoices. So this is invoice 59 and 68. I included number 68 because it was paid in full. You can see it's paid. Owed over here is 0. Number 59 is, there's still quite a bit of money owed on number 59. You can include finance fees down below here if you wish, and then it also has a portion at the bottom here that can be cut off and mailed back to you with your payment. So if I go back to the statement homepage, there's a couple ways to add new ones here. I can click on create a new statement, which will allow me to search by a customer and start the search process. I can also go back from my receivables homepage, which there's a link here for receivables, or you can go back to the main switchboard homepage, go under system assets and go to the receivables homepage. When you're on the receivables homepage, over on the right hand side is your statements. This is where you could add a statement. So if you wanted to add a statement here, you would just click on it and it's going to show any statements that have been created for that client, and then you could create a new. So it's already pulled the client. Here's my customer flying high. Let's just say I put in 1-1-09 and I'll just put in 5-10. If you don't put the year in here, it automatically defaults to this year. So you can see creating a statement. I've got quite a few here that have been I've got 3 that have been paid, 1 that's been unpaid. If I don't want to include the first 2 that have been paid, I can unclick those and I can put my due date in here. And if I have any notes, I can put notes in here. If I want to add a penalty to that, I can do it right here, and then I simply create the statement. So once the statement is created, I can go to the printable on the statement, and you also have the ability to save it as a PDF document. So I can save it as a nice PDF, which can be exported or emailed out to the client. I can also go back to my statement homepage, and you'll see now I have statement number 3 for $800. So once again, this was covering the statements homepage, and a statement is comprised or sent out when you have numerous invoices that you want to send out for a client. And what you would have is the totals of those invoices put together for that client. So once again, thanks for choosing Atlas.